The Epson VS240 SVGA 3 LCD projector is designed for anyone who needs a reliable, bright projector without spending a fortune. With 3000 lumens of color brightness, it's capable of delivering vibrant, sharp visuals in almost any environment. Whether you're giving presentations, streaming videos, or hosting movie nights. Epson has been a trusted name in projectors for years, and this model continues that legacy with a combination of practicality, portability, and consistent performance. At first glance, the VS240 has a clean, minimal design that focuses on usability rather than flashy aesthetics. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to transport from room to room or take along for business meetings, classrooms, or home use. The setup process is straightforward, and even if this is your first projector, you'll find it intuitive to connect and start projecting immediately. With an SVGA resolution of 800 by 600, the projector is ideal for standard presentations, spreadsheets, slides, and casual video content. While it doesn't offer full HD or 4K, it performs exceptionally well for everyday office, school, or home use. Text remains clear and readable, graphics look sharp, and video playback is smooth, which is exactly what most users need for routine tasks. One of the key advantages of the Epson VS240 is its 3 LCD technology. Unlike single-chip projectors, 3 LCD ensures that colors remain accurate and bright while eliminating the rainbow effect commonly seen in cheaper models. The 3000 lumens color brightness guarantees that images stay visible even in rooms with some ambient light, making it suitable for classrooms, offices, and living rooms where complete darkness isn't always possible. Connectivity options are versatile. HDMI, VGA, and USB inputs allow you to link laptops, media players, or gaming consoles with ease. Keystone correction helps adjust the image when the projector cannot be perfectly aligned with the screen, keeping visuals proportioned and rectangular. This makes setup flexible and reduces the frustration of uneven projections. Lamp life is another strong point of the VS240. In eco mode, the projector can last up to 10,000 hours, meaning it can handle years of frequent use without needing a replacement. For schools, offices, or homes that rely on daily use, this is a significant benefit. Additionally, the fan operates quietly, so it won't distract during movies, video calls, or presentations, which can be a major problem on less expensive models. Performance across different tasks is solid. Presentations are clear, colors in slides and images appear natural, and video playback is reliable. While it's not designed to replace premium home theater projectors or gaming monitors, it provides excellent value for its intended purpose. Its portability, ease of use, and consistent performance make it a practical choice for anyone seeking a dependable projector on a budget. The included remote control simplifies operation. It allows you to navigate menus, switch inputs, adjust volume, and fine-tune settings without needing to touch the projector. This user-friendly approach makes it accessible for beginners while still providing essential functionality for more experienced users. Ultimately, the Epson VS240 strikes an excellent balance between price and functionality. It is ideal for anyone looking for a no-fuss projector that works well in classrooms, home offices, or casual entertainment settings. It offers bright, accurate images, easy setup, and years of dependable service. For those interested in purchasing the Epson VS240 SVGA 3 LCD projector with 3000 lumens color brightness, the link in the description provides the easiest way to grab one. This model is an affordable, practical, and dependable option that delivers vibrant visuals and reliable performance for everyday needs.